Hi there! In this video, we're going to show you how to update Insta360 Titan's firmware. Before upgrading the firmware, please make sure your Titan's battery is charged to more than 30% and the camera is connected to the power adapter. Download the latest firmware package from Insta360's official website. Unzip the file. Please do not change the file name of the bin file, otherwise the camera's system cannot automatically identify the file. Load the bin file to SD card 0. Insert the SD card into the camera and restart the camera. The camera will begin updating. Once the update is complete, it will restart again. At any time, you can check the firmware version under the Info section in the camera settings.